Let me ask you something. Why is it that most online income ideas require you to constantly show up just to keep the lights on? You post, you push, you grind, you hustle, and the moment you stop, everything stops. What if the problem isn't you? What if it's the business model? What if instead of building something that depends on your time, you built something people use whether you show up or not? Stay with me, because that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Most people trying to make money online follow the same exhausting loop. Learn a strategy, try to execute it, burn out, start over. You start a blog and need content. You start YouTube and need constant videos. You start freelance and now your income is tied to hours. Dropshipping requires ads and support. Everything demands energy, creativity, time, presence. But what happens when you're tired, busy, unmotivated, or just want a break? The business collapses, which means you never actually build income, you build dependence. So let's flip it and talk about an online business that keeps working even when you step away. This is where Toolify comes in, a ready-to-launch online tools website, already built, already functional, already packed with 40+ tools people search for every day. No coding, no development, no building from scratch. This is a digital asset. Something that provides value, not content. Something that solves problems, not relies on attention. Something that can get recurring traffic simply because people need the tools. Think converters, text tools, calculators, everyday tasks people Google constantly. People don't stop needing them, which means usage can repeat, traffic can repeat, income can repeat. With Toolify, your role becomes simpler. Brand it, share it, let people use it. Instead of chasing algorithms, you own something that meets people in the moment they need it. Instead of pushing content to stay relevant, you attract visitors because your site helps them. You monetize through ads, affiliate recommendations, email list building, sponsored placements, or your own offers. And here's the insight. Traffic follows utility, not personality. People search for solutions, not creators. That's why this model is stable. Inside Toolify, you get a fully functioning online tools website, 40+ built-in utilities, a customization dashboard, beginner-friendly setup, fast implementation, and a low-maintenance digital asset you can let compound over time. You don't need more effort, you need leverage. You don't need more ideas, you need something that works consistently. You don't need another hustle, you need an asset. To explore this system, visit my website, ridetechreviews.com. Link is in the description. Build the asset once and let it work for you over time. If this message helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to support more content like this.